Mornings are real hectic. Additionally, if you are a young mom or woke up without any meal prep, then it's going to be Herculean task. My day starts with breakfast and lunchbox preparations. As I have been doing this for a few years now, I have realized how imperative to follow a few steps to have a stress-free mornings. And never ignore the fact that a meal cooked with a peace of mind or a calm mind is always healthy, not just for the person who is cooking, but for the whole family. Honestly, these cooking tips are not any secret. I have learned this with my experience. I'm sure people who have been cooking for years, they must have been already following few of them. Hence, this video is for beginners or newlyweds or people who are just getting into packing boxes. First things first, a ready-to-use kitchen. Cleaning dishes at night, or if not, at least the utensils needed for the cooking kept ready on countertop would avoid morning searching. And a ready-to-use stove countertop are very essential to save on time. Meal prep, whatever food my family asks for. If not immediately, I'll try to make it in next 2 days. So I never plan a week what to cook. But sure, I know what my next day's meal plate look like. Having a clear plan for tomorrow helps in prepping in advance. Thus, eventually avoids impulsive food orders or being compromised on your meals. Overnight soaking. Chole, rajma, kala chana, any legumes can be boiled at night. In the morning, you can directly add to your fresh gravy. It reduces your cooking time significantly. Dals and millets. A soaking overnight would not only reduce your cooking time but also saves up morning whistles. Even you can cook in the open vessel in less time. Hot water in cooking. Using hot water balances your cooking. According to Ayurveda, using cold water or even room temperature water is not recommended. No matter how you cook, food becomes cold and soggy by lunchtime. So investing in thermal lunch boxes would keep the food fresh for longer. To demonstrate, I'm packing everything at a time. But if you pack when it is hot, it will remain 5 to 6 hours in the same state. Pouring hot water in the flask before packing any liquid, it will help remain hot for the longer. If this video helped you 1%, I would be very grateful for making it. And thanks for watching. See you in another video.